Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can enable in-app notifications in the Tier application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the two-line button at the top of the page on the left, and click on the account and settings button, and then click on the privacy settings button, and at the very top you can see the in-app notification section. So just enable those that you want to receive notifications on, like on updates on new products and features, or product or service updates and tips. And just click on the white circle, and once it turns blue, they are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.